Hey, Sylvester Stallone here. A lot of people don't know, they know me as a famous actor, but occasionally I like to sing, so I like to sing songs. First I'll sing Happy Birthday to all the people out there that support me, and it is Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to yous. Happy birthday to yous. Happy birthday to all the Sylvester Stallone's fans who support him. Happy birthday to yous. And also, since I'm an American, I like to sing the national anthem too. I'll sing that for you. Jose, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? And also I'd like to sing another song for the troops. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above. From the mountains, through the prairies, to the oceans, white with foam. God bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America, my home, sweet home. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone.